Hi everyone, welcome to an Area 49 workshop. Today we're going to be talking about creating closed captioning in Adobe Premiere Pro. You can upload a video to YouTube without closed captioning and they will auto-generate some captions for you. But using Premiere Pro ensures accuracy, and it also creates an editable transcript that you can change at any time. Right now I'm in a project that I've already created. It's from another workshop video on video editing basics, but I just wanted to use this project file as an example. Let's say we've edited everything how we want, and now we're ready to add captions to our video. First, we want to make sure that we're in the Captions and Graphics workspace. Up top in the toolbar, click on Window, Workspaces, Captions and Graphics. We can close the Essential Graphics panel on the right side because we won't be using that. First, you'll need to click on the Transcribe Sequence button. It's grayed out for me because I've already done this process in this project. If we click on the Transcript tab, you can see what I already have. I'll go ahead and click on these three dots and then Retranscribe Sequence. This is a dialog box that you'll see if you initially click on the Transcribe Sequence button. That was grayed out for me. You want to select your language, and then here make sure you're clicked on Audio on Track, and then select the track where you know your vocal audio is. So I'll select that and then click Transcribe. It's analyzing my audio track and creating the transcription now. Depending on the length of your video, this could take a few minutes. Now we have the transcription from our video. If we see an error anywhere in the transcription, you can click on the text box for it. This will jump to that section and then we can edit the text. That wasn't actually an error, but I just wanted to show an example. We can scroll through and look at the entire text from the video. If you want to bake in the captions into the video, we want to click on the Captions tab, that's right here, and then click Create New Caption Track. For format, we'll select Subtitle and then click OK. Once we've reviewed everything and we're happy with it, we're going to create our captions by clicking on this CC button right here. Make sure that Create from Sequence Transcript is selected. Subtitle is fine for format. Style can be on None. These are the default settings, but you can change these if you want it to look a little bit different. This is basically going to change the spacing and the length of characters and things like that. I have double selected for lines. I'm going to click Create. As you can see, I have a new layer that I can show and hide by clicking on the eyeball button, and now my captions are present in the video. I'll play a short clip so you can see them. Files, I've got a video file and audio file. It's actually a music file that we're going to be using. But first we want to start setting up our folders and get everything a little bit more organized. I'm going to start off by creating a new folder on the desktop and titling this the date. So we want to start 2022, and then today is the 17th of June. So now you can see we have captions. That's what the captions would look like in the video if you bake them in. Another option, and the one that I actually use, is exporting your transcription from Premiere as a text file with timing and uploading that to YouTube separately. That way, if you catch an error after the fact, you can change that text file within YouTube and you don't have to upload a whole new video. To do this, we want to make sure that the subtitles are visible, so click on the eyeball to the left of Subtitle. This screen will pop up that has the text and timing of everything. We want to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the panel, and then we want to click Export to SRT file. In my top project folder, I have created a captions folder, and I can save the text file here. Just click Save. Now when I go to YouTube and I upload my video file, drag and drop it here. It'll take a minute or so. We're just going to click through and get to the caption settings. Click No, it's not made for kids. On the second screen, Add Subtitles, we want to click Add there. From here, we want to click on Upload File. Make sure With Timing is selected. Click Continue. Inside our Captions folder, I know it's this last SRT file. Select that and click Open. Then it's going to take the transcription with the timing and everything and upload it into YouTube where the text is still editable. We can go in and click and change any of this and then click Done. That way, if we did make a mistake, we can always go back into YouTube and edit the text there without having to upload a whole new video. If you'd like to see any of our other Area 49 workshop videos, come check us out on the Area 49 playlist of Adkins Library's YouTube channel. I hope today's video is helpful. If so, click that like button and leave any comments or questions down below.